Elia and Dr. Pershing go into the Star Destroyer that's getting decommissioned, and this is the cloning lab. I didn't quite understand what this equipment was. Did you see some maybe vials here?
Yeah, vials, test tubes, centrifuge
Test
guys.
tubes.
I thought what those cylinders are, because they look like desiccant chambers. I just guess it could be a desiccant or like a vacuum chamber keeping air out. Just looked like stuff in lab.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then, this is another shot of the lab from a different angle. We've got some sample containers, for, microscope.
I didn't.
It's cool.
I assumed that because they just went into a random Star Destroyer. They weren't in Gideon's Star Destroyer where he was doing his work before, and so I figured this was kind of generic equipment, I don't know, somehow bio something lab, and they would have enough stuff to do what he needs. Maybe the Empire was really, really cared about their Empire scientists. They give him labs with a whole bunch of stuff and just mass produce it. And then whatever the scientist needs was more or less in there, but you could order for special stuff, but more or less over there.
So that means on the Star Destroyers, they had a team of scientists for field work with a small lab like this. That's pretty cool.
It's like Star Trek stuff, right? Explore, do some science. Maybe we can colonize a planet.
Yeah, that's pretty organized. And I guess the serious research should be done at a facility on a planet. But I guess he can grab equipment from this rudimentary lab to actually get this research he wants started.
He said it was they were looking for a mobile lab. So not big heavy stuff, but enough stuff to gather samples, do some cursory analysis, and then send that off to a proper planet side lab. Okay.
I'm on board. Yeah. It's very cool exploring.
Pretty good. It would have been so cool to be a scientist at the Empire. Just saying, they take care of you.